ready to drive this thing, dude, Eric? Do you see that wheel fitment? I need this on your TSX. This is what I need on your TSX.
Yeah?
What's going on, guys? I'm Rex from R1 Concepts, and today we got an iconic Japanese sports car with us. This is Perla, and she's going to tell us about her car.
Hi guys, so behind me is the MK4 Supra. It's my dream car, obviously from the Fast and the Furious, and I picked it up about a year ago. The first modification is going to be the BBK. Let's go! And then after this, then you just put the wheel once everything's tight.
Oh, well, you do the brake line and you have to wait the whole system.
I really love it. Such a pretty color.
Yeah, definitely a good pop, especially with all the gray.
It needed to pop though too, because it was just such a subtle color. Now it's just like, boom.
Yeah. What's up, guys? So we've wrapped up the install, just did the bed-in process. Real big trip for me since I haven't really driven a right-hand drive car before, so definitely new. Everything went smooth on the install, everything bolted up perfectly. Minimal shimming on this one. The color combo is really good pop on this car since the color is a light silver and the wheels are gunmetal. The painted pink caliper, the anodized cyan hat, really good pop in the sun. So this wraps up the install. We'll see you guys on the next one.